Bobby just bombed one, man, from like, it's got to be 300. And he's like right on the edge of the green here. Let's see what he can do with this, man. See if he can get himself a little eagle action. Come on, Bobby.
What do you think, Matt? Putting or you know what I think so?
Yeah, I think putting's probably the move here, man. I think it's the grass is pretty manicured. There's no bumps. Looks like that's going to be the play. Good stroke on it. It's going to definitely drift left, 100%. Keep coming, girl. Oh, just not enough on it. Good putt, though. It's a good attempt. It's probably closer than you could have got with a chip anyway. You know, chipping's tough, man. It's a good shot. Now I feel a little breeze. Long enough? Short?
You're good. What'd you hit?
I hit 9.
What is it? 137?
137. Thin. Sit down, girl. Sit down, girl. Okay. You all right? It's early, man. We just got to get our groove back. We got Myrtle Beach coming up, man. We're looking forward to that. Sit, girl. Sit, girl. Catch a tree.
Good at tree kick.
Oh, it did.
Did it?
A tree, yeah.
That's
I heard a tree. All right.
I got any division on that.
That's fine. There you go.
I don't know why I didn't play the cut. I said the whole time, play the left side.
Yeah, I wanted to start that a little further left than that, but it's all right.
It's solid, too.
You're fine. I think you're right up the ledge there. You're fine. Yeah, you're okay. Flirting with it though.
I was.
It's not fun unless you do that.
And now somehow go right.
Yeah,
That's on the green.
that was smoke, dude. Holy goodness. Yowza. That's the best drive I've ever seen you hit here. Good touch. Great touch. Sit ball. Sit ball. Hey, not bad. Good touch. That thing stopped and hopped. Oh, I had smoke on it. I know that.
That's right.
Yep. Right there. Smoke. You're welcome. I'm here all week, folks. You know, golf's a funny game. Like, I can see what makes it work, but I just can't replicate it. You know? Fucking hard game, man. Nice shot, man. Go. Go. I wonder if that tee looked cool flipping back at you.